Well, here we are in complete lockdown. I have to say I'm a bit suspicious of it all. Unprecedented. It is a coronavirus, a cold virus. Unprecedented effects. Unprecedented. The rate of infection spread is unprecedented. Absolutely incredible, really. Think on it. The government reaction around the world, unprecedented and absolutely incredible. Shut down everything. Makes no sense. Absolutely makes no sense. Not to me. That's why I'm here. Getting out there. No, I don't know. I'm just speculating. But personally, I think this virus is some sort of man-made pathogen, and it's probably everywhere in the environment. That makes sense of what's happening. Probably not person-to-person contact as such, but everywhere. Most people will get infected in some way, affected in some way by it. Usually not that much. But if you've got bad lungs, you're old, well, maybe you will get affected a lot, or even die. But I don't believe what they tell us. They told us total lies over 9/11. Anyone who researches the evidence of that knows that. Anyone who can be bothered to face the truth knows that. I don't trust anything they say. That's why I'm not breaking any rules. I'm parked up here with permission of the local resident, and I'm not going anywhere unless I choose to go home, which will require a ferry journey. But I might just stay here for a while, who knows. But I'm avoiding all non-essential travel. I'm self-isolating in my kayak and in a tent. Perfect. The world has returned to its natural state. No aircraft noise, no boats, no road noise. Silence, just the sounds of nature. Beautiful. Civilization. We think of it as a progress. It is an aberration of nature. A control system, a matrix of control that we are now seeing being fulfilled in its later stages. Control matrix. Another very strange thing about this is they're already saying it's going to keep coming back. Now, how would they possibly know that? They seem to be preparing us for something. Just like after 9/11, the terrorists, oh, they never go away. Always the threat of the terrorists to provoke another war, to give the excuse to invade another country and take its resources. Now the control matrix reaches a new height. Better. And finally, beautiful. Oh, it's a foggy morning. Now nip across the top of Island Shona and then hopefully cross the Sound of Arisaig, if I can see where I'm going. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, stunning morning. Clear skies to the north. a lovely crossing.